Ladies and gentlemen, you ever look at a tiny home and think, this is great, but where do I put my inflatable hot tub and the treadmill I never use? Well, the Aussies over at Unplgd Tiny Homes said, hold my flat white, and rolled out the Bowerbird, a dual-trailer beast of a tiny home that feels more like a mini mansion on wheels than anything else I've seen. Honestly, I think my neighbor actual house has less living space, and that guy's always bragging about his man cave. Now back to the Bowerbird. The main unit sits on a custom triple-axle trailer and measures 29.5 feet long, 9 meters, by 9.8 feet wide, 3 meters. The second trailer? Optional, but if you've got taste, you're adding it. It includes a 9 by 9 feet pod, 2.7 by 2.7 meters enclosed pod, and a covered porch that could make a mountain chalet jealous. Together, these two trailers form one heck of a home. Although I'll admit, relocating this setup often is about as practical as convincing my buddy Steve to stop barbecuing inside his RV. The main floor features an open-plan living area, a private bedroom, and a separate bathroom. I liked the most that the kitchen doesn't feel like an afterthought. It's got a 2-burner cooktop, full-size fridge, microwave, and real countertop space. That's more than I had in my first apartment. The great room connects to the porch through glass doors, so you get that airy, indoor-outdoor lifestyle everyone's posting about on Instagram. The bedroom? Full standing height, queen-size bed, built-in storage, and its own separate entrance with the option for a private terrace. I believe this is the part where you casually step outside in the morning and pretend you're on a vineyard in Tuscany. Meanwhile, the pod on the second trailer can become whatever you want. Office, kids' room, yoga studio, squirrel sanctuary. No judgment here. The bathroom is compact but smartly laid out. Full-size shower, vanity, toilet, and space for a washer. And yes, it's all real plumbing. We're not savages. This setup starts at Australian $173,300, roughly $113,000, or 105,000 euros for the main home. Add the second trailer and you're climbing higher. But in my opinion, it's worth it. The porch alone adds serious charm. And the flexibility of the pod means you don't have to fight over workspace with your partner during Zoom calls anymore. So, if you're into tiny homes but allergic to downsizing, the Bowerbird might just be the answer.